We're a family business that began in a back room in Essendon with my father, Ray Hille, I served my apprenticeship under very strongly. Taught me everything I know in regards to building management, which was terrific. And I believe we built a strong name for ourselves and quality, providing good service, no question about that. Site supervision, which is absolutely imperative. It gives me great warmth to know that I've got good people out there that really care about what we do, and I do know that. I mean, I work here every day, and the people that are around me are terrifically invested in what we do and trying to give our clients exactly what they want. And we've found, I think, what is a fairly successful model. Look, there are many ways of doing extension. Our model is based on design and build. We arrange everything from the initial design through to completion of build, which can save people thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm still going back to see clients of my father's from 35 years ago, to Mrs. Jones to screw in the back door that's come loose, and it goes a long way, and that's what we believe in. It's my creed, is that we're here for the people. It's not the other way around. They come to us because of what we leave behind, because of the excellence that we try and provide every day on every single site. So I've got two young sons, Jack and Harry, who are the light of my life. You can probably see the smile on my face coming up now because I adore every step that they take, and they're one of the most prized gifts I've ever been given. Like most parents, to experience that love of having your own children is something that you cannot understand until you actually do it. They're just wonderful little men, and I can't wait to see them grow up. The future of Hille's Home Extensions is looking really bright. We've worked for so long, 65 years we've been here. What we do strive to do is leave behind quality. We could talk about it, but if you can't walk it, there's not much good sitting here telling you that we're one of the best in Melbourne. We are. We can do what we say, and we will do what we say.